Hey Buffaloes, this is Emily Hamlin, Health Academy Counselor, coming to you from my lovely workstation here at home while we are following all of the safety regulations related to COVID-19. I hope this video finds you all well. I know this is a definitely crazy experience, but all of us here at Garden City High School, all the faculty, the staff, janitors, the secretaries, the cooks, everybody, we're all here for you. We're 457 strong, and we definitely miss you. I'm missing you guys come into my office and grab some fruit snacks and things like that. So I decided to bring you this little bit of a cheesy video because I am a little worried about how some of this is going, just because, you know, I like to see you guys. I like to see you all the time and check in and check out with you. So this has been a little different. So I'm just sending you a little bit of a PSA because of the different phone calls and emails and things I've had over the last 2.5, 3 weeks. There's just a few things that Hamlin needs to get off her chest to make sure that everybody's informed on. Okay, so the first thing is that one of the things that is maybe confusing a little bit is, as of right now, nothing has changed regarding the following important guidelines related to earned credits at Garden City High School. So, you know, we just went through all of the big enrollment part. So this is for my 9th, 10th, and 11th graders out there. Seniors, don't you worry about this because we're planning for you to graduate and be done less than a month from today. And so this is for our 9th, 10th, and 11th graders. Any class graduating after 2020, you still have to have 24 credits as specified on the credit check. I'll show you that on the next slide. You've seen it before. You saw it at enrollment. You heard me talking up there in the auditorium about everything. So that hasn't changed, okay? I know this is different, having a continuous learning plan. That is why your teachers, your principals, secretaries, counselors, we're working so hard to help you feel successful, because I know it's different. But you still need these credits from this semester. You still need them because that credit check has not changed for you. Also, and this is a huge one, CASA, as of today, it still hasn't changed what happens with eligibility that starts in August. Please remember, your 5 past classes, passed 60% or higher on the last day of the semester, are what decide your eligibility for the next semester, okay? So it's always been this way for several years now. If you participate or play or have any kind of activity that is CASA related from August to December, your grades from January to May matter. You have to pass 5 classes at 60%. Not semester school, not summer school, none of that. You got to pass 5, okay? Because it's the same thing, like from January to May, your eligibility is determined by your 5 past classes from the previous semester. So this is huge. I want everybody playing, running, football, basketball, everything. Debate, you know, I want you all on the stage. I want you singing. I want you marching. Okay, we all do. So that matters right now. So my 9th, 10th, and 11th graders, I know you have your 7 classes. Some of you are in 8, but you're still on the same credit check, okay? And you're still needing to pass the 5 classes. So this is still your credit check, okay? 24 in those areas. So those are my juniors who are in American history, or my sophomores in geometry, or those of you in multimedia design. All of that still so much matters, okay? So we got to do it, okay? I want you to email, call, reach out, do whatever you got to do with your teachers, your coaches, your counselors, your principals to make sure that we're still meeting that marker, okay? This is your counseling crew, okay? Remember, we are all here for you, okay? We have the different academy counselors right here, okay? You can reach out to us. Then we also have this awesome crew of ladies, okay? We have in our Career Center, Mrs. Armstrong, Mrs. Steele in ESL, and Mrs. Gillen with SPED. They're some amazing ladies. So please reach out to us.